Unboxing iPhone edition. Goodbye, Samsung. iPhone here. Let's peel this up. Satisfying. Now we get a case. Flip it around. Put the case on. Extra protection. I'm getting it. Okay, forget the case for now. First of all, see if it's got any juice. It ain't got any juice. Oh, no, it does got juice. It got juice. Once that powers up, we get the cable. And we break it open. Except we don't break it. Hello. Now, it's saying hello in all sorts of different languages. We have this. Now we're going to get this out. It has one Apple sticker, SIM ejector thing, and a manual. Bonjour. Okay, now we need to set this thing up. I'm just putting it in there. Okay, we have our Apple sticker. And I'm going to update you guys when we've got this thing set up, okay?